don't need no ID. Walk up in the club with no ID. I walk up in the strip club, don't need no ID. No ID. No ID. No ID. Don't need no. Sit rock on ice again. One cash out the fame, yeah. Babe wants me at home. Tell her leave me alone, yeah. Sipping that twisted tea. Recording that music here, yeah. Yeah, you know it is. It's Mr. No ID, yeah.
Drinks all night, dripping on the side. We not at the bar, we at the crib. We from out of town, so we gon' put on. Do it for the team, do it for the city, do it for the city. All for the drink, all these girls, they look so pretty.
I swerve in a foreign, you driving Hondas. I drip in his honor, nothing is final. Fly above, you flying under.
Stop playing around, you wanna hang with the gang now. You be acting wishy-washy, you in the way now. It's a new day now, it's a lot on my plate now. Rockin' designer, baby, drinking a lot lately. My little boo, baby, tell E&B, double that up for me. Drinks on us, drinks on us.
Yo, what's good? Look who's here. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm Millie Rock on every block. We here. Good. You pulled up over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Were you talking about these tables?
No, you see like them tables all the way over there. Like normally they be having the table like stretched all the way down that way.
Oh, okay.
You didn't talk to them yet? You didn't talk to any of the waiters yet?
Nah, I just was standing there and I got lectured by a homeless man.
How did I miss that?
Bro, he's talking about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I'm like, what's going on, bro?
Yeah, I was not expecting it to rain like this.
Yeah, bro. Like, it just started like thundering, and then like I just couldn't believe it. I'm like, dude, it's pouring out here.
Yeah.
You know, like it had to happen on this day too.
I'm saying I'm setting up, you know what I'm saying? I gotta set up my joint.
Yes, sir.
It's ridiculous out here.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to eat and drink. That's it. We didn't ask for much, but
Right.
you know how it go.
Exactly.
I didn't even bring a jacket.
Yeah, I brought a jacket just in case I didn't want to get this shirt wet.
Oh, you see how dusty my
Can it pick up on the camera?
I got that dusty lens going on, you know what I'm saying? you see the dust on it? That make it crystal clear when you got the dust on it. Cheers to E&B's vlog running at the same time, man.
Yes, sir.
Cheers to E&B.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I know y'all heard that thunder.
Yeah, seriously. I'm so sick of this rain.
Since we're here, we gotta play a game, man.
Okay.
We're doing impromptu smash or pass.
Alright.
So I'm just gonna come up with some people. I'm gonna show you the profiles, and that's how we gonna do it.
Sounds good.
Alright, so first person.
Alright.
So this is how we gonna do it. I'm just gonna go on some drip pages.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just find some random people. I don't even know these people that. So I don't know. Look at the first person over here.
Oh my God! Yes, yes, the queen herself,
Lala
Baptiste.
Smash or pass, man.
That's a smash.
This is a hard one, man.
That's a marriage, in my opinion.
You gonna smash this right here?
Oh yeah. yeah. Show the camera that.
Face smash shouty.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Next person, let's see what we got on here. Alright, I don't know who this chick is. We got Lena. Alright, go through her page, man. Let's see what we got. Alright. Woo. I feel like everything I pick is gonna be a smash. I'm not picking anyone that we're probably gonna pass on. So yeah. If you're watching this, you might want to go to the next part because it's about to be all bad jokes. I'm not even gonna pick anyone questionable. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she won.
Yeah. Yeah, she's definitely smashed.
And she got the swag on.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so the next one, I'm just gonna pick someone from her comments. I feel like friends comment on here. Bad joke. I told you.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I told you. New bad joke. What's her name? Go to her profile.
Yeah. Doesn't say.
Oh yeah, I have no idea. But she's Ethiopian.
Yeah.
Let me see. We already know the answer to that one.
Yeah.
Double smash.
Double.
Double smash.
Vibin 2 times 2.
Alright, pick somebody. Eyes closed.
Alright.
Just touch the screen somewhere. Oh, we got a private page and I think it's a
Oh
guy.
my god. Jesus.
But I just clicked. Oh, private page again.
Alright.
Private
Yo,
page.
all these private pages, yo. Y'all on Instagram, y'all know who you are. I'm sick of y'all.
Yes, like you know you're
It's,
bad.
exactly.
You
And
know
also,
you're
it's
bad.
social media. You're supposed to be public, not private. Stop being on social media all private and all that.
That means you toxic. If you on social media and you private, that means you toxic.
Seriously.
This man, more
Private accounts. Yo, y'all private accounts. Y'all a little too hot out here, boy. Y'all need to go to the store and buy all that milk.
Alright, we're going back to the comments. More
Oh my
private.
god.
More private.
What
is
y'all
going on?
hiding, man?
Alright, here we go. We got a nice brown John, another Ethiopian John. I think the other John must be Ethiopian because all her friends are Ethiopian.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I think I gotta go with a pass on this one.
That's a smash.
Alright. Like, look
Look
no,
at her face. It's
she's-
beautiful.
She herself is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's just like her face is so narrow. It's just the narrowness in the face for me, man.
Yeah, I don't know. She might have to be scooped up.
Alright, man. That was our impromptu smash or pass.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna come back to y'all when we get the drinks and when we get our food.
Yeah, same here.
That's what we came here for. We just chilling.
We came in for the vibes, late night vibing through the city. You know what I'm saying? Well, it ain't nighttime, but it is late daytime vibing through the city. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So we got that mango margarita. You know what I'm
Mango
saying?
margaritas on deck.
Yes, sir.
We doing the margarita picture that we downed. We almost downed this joint for real, but
Yeah, man. Like, we
Cheers up.
vibing on this side.
I don't know what you drinking on at home, but it probably ain't one of these. It might be better than one of these,
Nah, they drinking on apple juice.
but it ain't one of these. So
This is really good. Like, this is some class. Hey, like this is next to the Malibu Bay Breeze. You know what I'm saying? This is great.
I told you they got great drinks here.
Bring a friend for me and my man, that's 2 times 2. All this drip on you. Pull up to the club in a coupe with me and you. Heading down to Tennessee and vibing on the roof. You're an angel, baby, I can't help but stare at you. Vibing 2 times 2.
I gotta get this film moment. Oh my god! Yo! Oh, my camera's getting wet. Yo! It's just tsunami alert. Like, oh my god! Diamond's dripping. Yo, Diamond's yo, this is insane, y'all.
Yo,
This is insane.
yo, this is crazy. Yo, I'm taking this footage from Ian. It's crazy. I can't even get my camera to start recording because I'm trying to hold the umbrella down and the wind is blowing. I can't see nothing.
to go home. I'm about to go home. Yo, I can't even see nothing. Yo,
This is perfect.
this is ridiculous, bro. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out. We gotta get out of here.
This is a look at the water. Oh my God. This,
Yo,
hey yo man, this is terrible, man. Oh.
yo, we gotta get out. All right.
1201 race, man. Get us out of here. How much is it?
$22.88.
Oh my God, we're going up the street. We're going up the street for $22.88. Yo, this right here is just drawing. This is not it.
Yo, we at the Sheraton, 4 Points. Me and Stir. We came out the rain. It was ridiculous. It was drawn. See now, look. This is what I'm doing.
Like, report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately.
God.
Yo, we gotta get out of here, man.
Stairwell where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Bruh.
Attention, please. There
Do
has
we
been a
actually have to go
report.
yet?
Nah, we don't have to go.
Oh, okay. Bruh, so yeah, we at the Sheraton because like it started raining. It was ridiculous. It was drawing.
Y'all see me.
All sense of that word. And so yeah, we just going in for the first time. We gonna see what it look like, you know what I'm saying? Yes, it's dark as hell in here. Y'all can see me. Yes, sir.
Very lively.
Don't mind the stuff in here. We ain't been in here yet. See, look. This vlog is
There has been a report of an emergency.
Oh, yo, bro.
Exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Yo.
Attention, please.
Oh
There has been a
my God. Turn that. Oh my God.
We about to hear that
All night. We about to be waking up to that. Oh my goodness. We come in here and we try to check in, but Sterling made it for the wrong day. Oh my God. I'm keeping all this in, by the way. All this in. It's good footage. It's watching my vlog, the first vlog, y'all know that one, the media day vlog. All I said was good footage, good photos. I'm like, bro, how many times am I gonna say that in every intro?
Alright, you gotta keep going with the story, man.
So we came in a quick hurry because it was all raining and pouring and drawing, and Poseidon was just drawing out his mind. Probably drank the margarita with us, and then was like, you know, fuck this shit. He made it for the 19th. The days we supposed to be vibing in New York City. Next week. Not this week. So yeah, the lady was like, you gotta call hoteltonight.com and then call them up and get your money back and stuff. Man, ain't nobody trying to call it.
Honestly, I just want to see if I can get a second room if I get a second room for tonight, or maybe just like extend this to tomorrow. I'd be fine with that too.
Yeah, I told you I'm down to put some money down. You know what I'm saying? Vibe out here. Cause look, home is a vibe sometimes, but this pandemic is getting a little bit annoying just staying in the house. Yeah, we got up here, put our stuff down. Of course, obviously it stopped raining as soon as we got in here.
Oh yeah, of course.
But because this vlog isn't already a disaster already. Funny one at that though. But yeah, we're gonna probably go to the liquor store, get something to drink. Vibe out too. This guy's got a barbershop appointment
at 6. Like,
funny thing is I always comment is like, look at us both and look at him. Who really needs the haircut?
look, y'all see that right there?
Nah.
I gotta get that out of here. Y'all see that?
Oh my
Look,
God.
that's not. Look, hold up. See, I got the hat. Look, I need it.
Look at this. Patchy as hell. Like, bro, no. And we're gonna just head home and pick up our stuff, because obviously we soaking wet and we got no clothes for tomorrow and we ain't got no laptop to edit this vlog on. We ain't got nothing. So we gonna do that. We gonna head home and do that. But yeah, it's gonna be a vibe tonight. I'm gonna hit y'all up later when we get, we get something going. All right. Hey y'all, we back. Crazy ass day. I can't. I don't think I've had this craziness of a day in years. I mean, we had like a tsunami alert at this point. We really didn't have a tsunami, but it felt like a tsunami alert. And then, couldn't do Barbon. I was about to say Bonchan. Bon. And we couldn't. We booked the wrong night. The SSter train had a medical emergency passenger on there, and so we just took the trolley. I'm like, oh my god. If you notice, yeah, I got the fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? You can see how I transformed from first part of the video to the second part. Looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah. We just ordered food because we hungry. I've had about half a thing of mango margarita today, and Seagram's, I don't even know what the hell it's called, Jamaican poppy or something like that. Yeah, thought juice. We about to really just like vibe out, get some drink some drinks, eat some food, and just chill. I don't know how I haven't just fallen asleep on everybody by now, but that's gonna happen eventually. It's been a day. It's gonna be a vibe tomorrow, and yeah, we're just gonna chill out. You know what I'm saying? Like always, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, share, comment, share with your friends, or as one of my favorite YouTubers likes to say, if you enjoyed his reaction. No, well, if you enjoyed my vlog, hit the like button and share. If you did not enjoy my vlog, hit the like button and share. I'll see y'all later. Peace.